Okay guys, so our menu for today is Korean beef barbecue. So let's start with our Korean sauce marinade. So first we'll put our garlic, onions, pears, spring onion, pepper, sugar, soy sauce, lastly sesame oil, then now we will blend it. Beef. This is a ribeye steak. We'll cut it in this size. So we will just mix it in our beef. Okay, after massaging your marinated beef, then we'll put sliced onion and we'll mix it again. After mixing our marinated beef, we need to keep it on the fridge for minimum 30 minutes. Then we will fry this one. Alright? Okay guys, so here's our marinated beef barbecue, Korean style. We will make half of it for Korean style beef barbecue, and half I will use it on our beef broccoli Korean style barbecue. Alright? Okay, first we'll put a little bit of oil, and then let's add butter, and now we'll put our marinated beef. And guys, so ito, medyo malapit ng matuyo yung ating sauce. So it means malapit na maluto yung ating beef. So malalaman nating luto na yan pag yung sauce niya is nag-dry na dun sa beef. Kumapit na lahat dun sa beef. Alright? A few more minutes, then luto na to. Guys, so pag ganyan na siya, na-dry na yung sauce niya, yung marinade niya. So ready na to serve. Okay guys, so here's our Korean beef barbecue. Let's eat! Shibuga na! Now ready na yung ating Korean beef barbecue. Then gagawin na natin yung ating broccoli mixed with our beef marinade barbecue. Alright? Okay, now guys, we'll make our beef broccoli. So we need garlic, onion, butter, green bell pepper, carrots, and of course our broccoli and our pepper, oil, oyster sauce, and soy sauce, and of course our beef. So our beef comes from the marinated beef from our Korean barbecue. Alright, let's start our beef broccoli. Okay, let's put oil and butter. So when our butter is already melted, we'll put our onion and garlic. Okay, now let's put our onion and garlic. So isaute natin to within 1 minute. Okay, now let's put our carrots and green bell pepper. And let's put our broccoli. Okay, now let's add all our seasonings. So first, pepper. A little bit of soy, and our oyster sauce, and let's cook this one within around 2 minutes. Okay, now let's add our beef from our Korean barbecue. This is already cooked, so we'll just add our beef now. So we'll just mix this one until everything is cooked, then ready to serve. Okay, now all our vegetable, broccoli and beef are already cooked, so we can serve it now. So here's our beef broccoli. Happy tummy!